AViCAD 2027 is here, and in this video I'll show you some of the biggest improvements now available. Built on the new IntelliCAD 14.1 engine, AViCAD 2027 focuses on the things CAD users care about most: performance, productivity, compatibility, and making everyday drafting a little easier. So let's take a closer look. AViCAD includes a number of new commands and workflow improvements, including ISODRAFT, compare, SVGIMPORT, BARCODE, SHAREWITH, SURFSCULPT, MREDO, BTESTBLOCK, floating drawing windows, improved GIS tools, and much more. But let's start with one of the biggest improvements. Performance has been a major focus for AViCAD 2027. Built on the new IntelliCAD 14.1 engine, many everyday operations are noticeably faster, especially when working with larger drawings. Users will notice smoother snapping, faster regenerations, quicker copy operation, better memory management, and overall improved drawing responsiveness. The result is a smoother drafting experience with less waiting when working on complex projects. Have you ever received a new drawing and wondered what's changed? The new compare command makes it easy to identify additions, deletions, and modified objects between drawing versions. Instead of manually reviewing drawings side by side, AViCAD can automatically highlight the changes for you. If you ever work with older drawings, scan plans, or images, you'll appreciate the raster draw improvements inside AViCAD 2027. New tools make it easier to clean up images, correct perspective distortion, and convert raster information into usable CAD geometry. AViCAD 2027 also expands its online mapping capabilities with traditional Bing and S3 map services. Whether you're working on a site plan, utility project, survey, or just want more geographic context, you can now quickly view drawings next to aerial imagery and online maps. It's a simple but powerful addition for users working in real-world locations. Moving to a new CAD version shouldn't mean rebuilding your entire workspace, so we've included the new migration tool to help transfer profiles, aliases, toolbars, and custom settings from previous AViCAD versions, so you can get up and running quickly. Users with multiple monitors will appreciate the new floating drawing windows feature. Drawings can now be detached from their own windows, making it easier to compare files, keep reference drawings visible, and take advantage of multi-monitor workstation. AViCAD 2027 continues to improve compatibility with both PDF and workflows. Enhanced PDF conversion helps turn PDF content into editable CAD geometry, while improved Revit compatibility makes it easier to exchange information between CAD and project. AViCAD 2027 also introduces a number of new commands designed to simplify everyday drafting text. ISODRAFT helps create isometric drawings faster. The import command allows you to insert your logo and other images directly into your drawing. BARCODE generates scannable barcode blocks. SHAREWITH makes it easier to share drawings. And SURFSCULPT converts surfaces into solid models. And MREDO allows you to restore multiple redo operations. BTESTBLOCK helps validate dynamic block before deployment. The brand new LISP command also provides a new editor supporting visual LISP and also includes auto debugging. And last but not least, for users who work across multiple computers, the new Flex licensing option makes it easy to move your licenses between your office PC, laptop, or home workstation, wherever the job takes you. I hope this gives you a quick overview of the few highlights in AViCAD 2027. For more information, pricing, and different ways to subscribe or purchase AViCAD, visit cadavenue.com.